Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Mi nombre es Nuria, soy de Madrid, España y soy profesora de español. If you clicked on this video, it's because you either are going on a trip to Spain soon or you're interested in driving through Spain. I've got the perfect video for you to make sure that you know all the road signs and you know where to park and where not to park. So let's go into this video in which I will be sharing quite a few traffic signs. Let's go. Vamos con el video. This sign means priority in the opposite direction. Obviously, this one is no entry. We all know this one. There is an intersection with a roundabout coming up. This sign means you need to give way to whatever road you're coming to. This is a prohibition one that no vehicles over 3.5 tons can go through these. This indicates a height restriction of 2.5 meters, no more than that. This sign means there's a minimum distance between you and the car in front of you of 70 meters. When you see this sign, it means that is a pedestrian only route or street. This is a prohibition sign that indicates that no overtaking can take place. This sign you can find on major roads means that lorries are not allowed to overtake. This sign means that no stop and no parking is allowed. This one means no parking allowed. However, you could stop for a short period of time, but you have to be inside the car. This sign means no parking is allowed on uneven days. And this one means no parking is allowed on even days. This sign, which is very common in particularly in front of businesses and or houses, is vado permanente, which means you are not allowed to park or stop in here at any time. And obviously, this is recognized anywhere. End of restrictions. Now, I have a few sentences for you as well to ask where can you park or asking for directions. So you can say, perdona, ¿dónde está whatever it is that you're looking for example, a shopping mall? Perdona, ¿dónde está el centro comercial? Excuse me, where's the mall or the shopping center? Another question that you can ask is, where can I park? ¿Dónde puedo aparcar? Another one you can ask is, how long does it take to get to whatever you're going? ¿Cuánto se tarda en llegar a? For example, how long does it take to get to Madrid? ¿Cuánto se tarda en llegar a Madrid? Another one that's very commonly used is, ¿conoces algún sitio cerca donde se pueda aparcar? Or, so do you know any place that is close where I can park? Or for example, where I can eat. Do you know anywhere that's close by where I can eat? ¿Conoces algún sitio cerca donde pueda comer? If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I really appreciate it. If you do have a suggestion or you want me to make a video about a certain topic, please let me know in the comments below. I'll happily do it. And if you're interested to download a cheat sheet of today's lesson with all the important signs that you can take on your next trip to Spain, there's a link on the description below and it's completely free. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta pronto!